All right, here's the herb gardening, the beginning of March. I have never seen it the beginning of March, so this is crazy. There's not a drop of snow out here. There is some in the woods or where there's piles. There's the chickens hoping to get fed, but there are lots of stuff in here, and I have no idea where stuff is because you can't see. I put leaves in here to kind of help with weed suppression, and it's great compost, so I put that in the fall. And then the plants will pop up through everything because they're so strong. So I'm excited to see what is underneath all this mess, what survived, what I'm going to be able to split off. Here's my strawberries. You can barely see the green. I know where my pathways are for the most part. That's some sage and some lavender. That looks pretty good. I was trying to find where I planted some small elderberry cuttings. I have no idea where they're at. They're going to be like a stick out of the ground if I'm lucky. So back there's some wild oregano. I did some trimming of chocolate sunflowers. That says bee balm, so that must be bee balm. Also bergamot. It's great for antibiotic ointment. We got anise hyssop in here, or hyssop. We got, that one might be, that little green thing I think is horehound. And these stalk things, those are echinacea. I can see a little bit of green underneath there. That's cool. There's some mullein stalk. This is my lemon balm. I trimmed that back, but it's there. It's great. There's some more strawberries and my shadow. Hello, shadow. If you ever need to talk to someone good that will agree with you, you just talk to your shadow. And we've got, these are some more of those chocolate sunflower things. Those are just pretty and they smell, I call them chocolates, but they're teddy bear sunflowers or something, but they smell like chocolate. It's pretty cool. Different mints, catnip. Oh, this over here is some marshmallow that will come up. So I'm excited. It's just really exciting to actually see it. It's kind of wild though. Things that make me go, why can I see my garden in March? All right, there you go. Can't wait.